Guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playas del Coco. Once again doing a video here in Playas del Coco. It's been a while since we've walked down by the beach here. Let's check it out. It's high season right now, early March 2023. It's approaching sunset, so it should be a good time to get some video. If this is your first time joining, be sure to like the video, press subscribe right here on YouTube, and as always, leave us a comment. Comments help grow the channel. Leave a question, leave a request, your thoughts, anything you know about this location or others, leave us a comment below. And stick around for the end of this video. We're going to do a drone flight. The wind has calmed down quite a bit here in Coco and Guanacaste lately, so I think it's a good day to fly the drone around. So right now we're down by one of the beach entrances here in Coco, right in the area of Guayoyo Coffee. So you can come down here. It's a good place to drive over, and you can park right up here on the beach. See all the boats out in the water. Check that out. Really nice view here. Here's a little estuary, right? Sometimes in rainy season this will be much deeper, but right now it's all dried up. It hasn't rained here in quite some time, and a lot of the mountains around Coco and the area are on fire. So it's been so dry. So it's pretty cool to see. But you can see off in the distance they're definitely not jungly right now. And that ridge line over there is going to be where the Waldorf Astoria is. There's a big resort going in there. And then as you go on further, you're further into the beach of Coco here. So we're pretty central in Coco on this beach. We'll do a little walk of the beach here and maybe see how town looks. See how it looks once again in high season. High season here in Coco around December. The months around December are usually considered high season. So you're going to find that accommodations cost a lot more. Rental cars might be hard to come by. A lot more people here than you'd see in August, let's say. So you can see, if this is your first time joining us for a Coco video, you can see the beach here is really calm. Usually beaches that have a lot of boats parked are going to be calmer. If you don't see any boats parked out in the water, it's probably because of strong currents. So we're just going to have to jump this. All right. You can get tours here. There's a lot of charter boats that'll pick you up, fishing boats here in Coco. These little boats will take you out to the bigger ones. So it's pretty cool. And this is Coco Beach here. So it's pretty low tide right now. And the beach is fairly calm. So this here is a new dock. There was an old dock here. It's made of concrete and the rebar was all showing. And this is apparently the new one. It's still taped off, not quite complete yet. Will it ever be complete? Who knows? Who knows? But check it out. One day it'll be finished. All right, and there you have it. So once again, the sun is setting. People still out in the water doing their thing. People still swimming. Now as we walk here, this is where all the restaurants are down here on the beach. And if you're coming here, there's actually free Wi-Fi. There's signs posted around. You can get on the free Wi-Fi. So if you're just visiting, you want to jump on Facebook or whatever, post your pictures of you on the beach so everybody knows. You can prove that you were here. You can see everybody eating. There's a lot of restaurants. A lot of good restaurants. You can sit, relax on the beach. You can take a picture with this thing, this animal. Who even knows? And here's a big sitting tree. This tree is massive and it has a big concrete pad around it right here. It's really popular for sitting. And vendors down here. Lots of people selling coconut water, ice cream, all kinds of stuff. Trinkets, jewelry. Cool. So this is the middle of the beach. This is the middle of the main beach here in Coco. Here's all your parking here. It's busy down here to park. If you want to come right down to the beach and park, it might be hard up finding a spot, especially on the weekends. Here's a little gym. I don't even know what this stuff does. I like the gym, but I don't know what that stuff is all about. We'll go down and check out the basketball court. I can see kids playing soccer. We'll check out the soccer pitch as well. Soccer's popular here with the kiddies in Costa Rica. Love their soccer. So if you come down here, bring a chair. Oh, that's new. Little ping pong tables. I haven't seen those before. Oh, cool. Those are cool. Great idea. Great idea. And this the municipality actually does a really good job keeping Coco clean and tidy. Guys are always cleaning the grass here of debris and anything else. It's really good. So you can see a lot of guys playing basketball here. What's better than that? Playing basketball down on the beach. So then over here you got the soccer pitch. So your kids can actually join these soccer leagues, come down here and play. So this would be kind of the end of the middle of the beach. The beach actually goes on much further down the other way. There's a little skate park. Cool. Cool moves, dude. And here's a little trick. If you come down here and park on this street, it's usually much less busy. Now there's a place over here called the Palms. It's a restaurant. We've eaten there many times. They actually have a pool inside where you can swim. And there's some accommodations in there. It's like a hotel stay kind of situation. There goes one of those little Honda Navis. Those are little like 50cc motorcycles. You can rent those here. You can't drive those around the main corridor roads. They're not powerful enough. There's laws against that, so you can't take a little Navi off on the highway. But they're actually really cheap little bikes just for booting around. Good option if you're staying around Coco. Or if you just want something for going to get groceries or whatever during your stay. There's the ever-present golf cart. See lots of golf carts kicking around in Coco. So check that out. The kids doing drills there with soccer. Once again, this field is always clean. It's always looking good. Here's another place you can park. If you come down and it's busy, if you turn left there, that's where it gets a little congested. Everybody's trying to park right up on the beach. But if you want to walk just a minute, you can secure some easy parking up here by the church. Leave us a comment as well if you want me to do a video down here of the nightlife. Maybe this weekend I'll stay up past my bedtime. If we get some comments, if there's any interest in it, we can walk around with the camera and check out what the bar scene is like. Just over here down this road to the right, there's Z Lounge and Coconuts. This is where all the gift shops are. All the restaurants are down here. And this is kind of the main strip here in Coco. See lots of colorful stuff. Birds, sloths, the big theme. Lots of nature. So once again, leave a comment if you want me to stay up late. For the channel, I will sacrifice my beauty sleep and we'll come down here and see what it's like at night. But leave a comment if you want to see that. And for now, let's throw the drone up and see what sunset looks like. All right, guys, so thanks again for watching here at Sights and Sounds in Playas del Coco. Remember to leave a thumbs up, subscribe right here on YouTube, and as always, leave us a comment. Share this video with somebody coming down here to Playas del Coco, somebody that wants to have a cool vacation spot. Hope to see you soon here. Bye now.